Welcome back to RVC Talk. So let's have a quick look at today's market. I didn't enable anything in terms of a momentum indicator. I just enabled MWD Magic levels where the default settings are 111. Okay, so let's have a quick look at what's the market. Okay, so we will look at yesterday first, and then we'll have a better clarity. Yesterday, so you're looking at this, and this is the weekly levels, and basically once the market reach this level, so it's not able to sustain this and this breakdown, right? So but actually if you look at the fall wise, market opened yesterday here, it came down, so almost like 420 to 155, 300 points down, and then recovery, and then not able to sustain. So with the fall wise, it's not a huge thing comparatively what happened on the Jan 13, like last week, right? We had seen like much bigger falls before. You look at this fall from here, it came all the way down here, right? So if you look at this is on a 23,434, so it came down to 23,444, right? But yesterday also, if you look at yesterday from same 420, same close to 40 level. So it's not nothing surprising. But today, market actually just opened a little positive, to almost like one and a half hour, like till 10:50, right? So almost like 1 hour 45 minutes. The market seems to be the kind of in a flat where it opened. So there's no momentum on any either side. So once it started moving down at 10:50, right? So it exactly tested the same level as yesterday low and then started bouncing back, right? And here is a good opportunity for us. In fact, actually, a lot of people who are in a fear. See, if you look at a weekly low is a breakdown here is a given in some opportunity, but probably even I am also away from the market during this time. I'm not interested. Somehow the PE is uncontrollable, and this level seems to be kind of like really strong level. You never know when it will bounce back. So that's the only reason why I keep telling in the group also. Let's avoid market for some time to get a clear direction, and then we take it. So if you look at this is the candle I'm talking at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, market started reversing back, and from somewhere, if you look at daily level of 23025, so we had seen close to around like 150 points up on a quick 1 hour move, right? So we had clearly seen in usually in a 1 minute time frame, and when we enable momentum candles on top of this, right? So I'll enable this. You see this, it's a flat market, almost till here. Only here we had seen a clear breakout of this level and that momentum continued. This momentum indicator clearly helps you to get this kind of an momentum even if it coming down here. So there is no sell indication, and this is going to act as a strong support. So this momentum continued till end of the day. And if you quickly look at this is the only one trade I'm talking, right? So only one trade opportunity from here to here. Now let's look at quickly Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also same time you got a good up move from 48 140 level to 48 800 level, right? And remaining time it's only PE. It's a two trades today from same 4800 level to 140. It's a kind of a V type recovery, right? But whether we had taken this trade or not, it doesn't matter. But this is an easy trade, and you look at this how fast this recovery happened, right? So from a stocks point of view, majority of the stocks seems to be hitting on a breaking weekly low, monthly low kind of a thing. If we quickly look cleaner, if you look at the morning at 907, we started getting a sell indication, and you see everything seems to be sell, only sell, right? Only at the last few minutes, we had seen this is an MCX buy because it's able to break out a monthly high and a weekly high, and then Punawala. So this one morning actually crossed once, and then it came down. Today morning market, when the market opened, it tried to cross here, and then it came down from 330, it came down to 316. But end of the day, when it again it touched 327. So basically here it crossed second time. So that's a second notification. So apart from that, everything seems to be an sell. So tomorrow you look at go back. Let me go back to the Nifty. Tomorrow, the price should cross a weekly high, but for me, a price closing above 23,305. Okay, that's something like another 150 points above from here. So this is the current weekly VWAP page here. So once I see a crossing this should set a momentum towards this, but a crossing this should give a good upside momentum towards this. Okay, so that's how plan your trade. And also, if the market momentum is going to be in a positive, you are going to get a lot more monthly high, weekly high breaks, and then we will consider futures and options. Okay, so hope you made some money out of this last 1 hour recovery today. And yeah, in case if you are looking for an access to MWD Magic levels or momentum indicator, so please WhatsApp to me in a 94942462220. Thank you. Have a nice day.